Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you from downstairs with the Dollar Tree haul. I apologize for all the noise, but I went to Dollar Tree to get a couple of things after church, and I went and got $20 worth of items, and I wanted to show you guys. Got 3 bags. I apologize for the noise. If you see any movements, it's very active downstairs, okay? Bear with me. I have my bowls I got the bowls that are in 30 that I normally just have in the house. And the 40 flats come. I picked up the Dipping Dots General Milk cookies and cream. I've never seen it before, but this is one of my favorite dessert treats if I'm ever out and about and I do see it somewhere. I normally get a little small cup of it. I went and got an infinity scarf. I really like this color. It's nice for fall. And also got the head wrap stick. This one comes in 3s, and they come in, here are the colors if you can see them: brown, beige, dark brown, brown, and beige. I picked up some Lay's stacked cheddar. Youngest son loves this. Put that right here. I went and got some of the strong and soft 4 rolls. I can't find the other one that I just bought, so I had to get another one and just have it here for the guest bathroom.